Just because I have these bald spots doesn't mean I cannot rock a ponytail. Ladies, if you have balding and thinning edges like this, in this video, I'm going to show you how to rock a ponytail using one product. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Living Irving. My name is Latanya and I am the Confident Curator. On this channel, I help women restore their confidence through hair, beauty, faith, and wellness. In today's video, we are going to rock a ponytail and we're going to cover up this bald spot and I'm going to show you how. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, notification bell, and make sure to share this with someone that has traction alopecia that can use this material. And let's go ahead and hop on in. I love using the Shine and Jam, and because my hair is super fine and thin, I don't need but a little bit of this product, and I don't need much because my hair is so super thin, and you can already see that it's holding. A lot of people freak out when, oh, your hair is too tight. It's the jam and it's the hair texture. I like to rock a part down the middle, and so I'm just going to swipe some of that hair around like so, and I am going to go pretty high up into a ponytail. One of my favorite products is the hair dye pin comb. This is what it looks like. To me, it's like an edge stick in a comb, and it's super smooth and creamy. And this is in black, so it's very blendable. It's water resistant. I like pairing these two products together, and let me show you why. Because this has a sheen in it that just blends and makes this blend in together beautifully. We're going to start in the back. We don't want to come forward, but we want to make sure that we're covering where we have our problems. And you just want to add a little bit at a time. This is my worst side. Both sides are not equal. So I'm just going to go here and add a substantial amount on this side because that's the worst side. And I try to keep it as even as possible with the edge brush. And I'm kind of bringing it up towards the hairline, and see how it's just blending in and looking very natural. See that? I am going to just blend with my finger and kind of bring it towards the front. And yes, this can be a little bit messy, but don't knock it till you try it. We're going to do some edges to make it look a little cutesy in the front. So I'm just going to swoop down some little baby hairs like so. Give it a little pizzazz here. Gives it a little more realistic type vibe. If you can kind of do something with the edges, trying to keep it as even as possible with the other side. We're going to dry those edges first. In order to get this to just stay all day, I'm going to take this freeze spray and I'm going to spray it right where I added the product. And then we're going to blow dry it. Get it pretty dry. Next, we're going to take our little rapid strips. And the reason why I like to use the rapid strips is because it takes off any excess stick. Guys, do you see this? I have gone from having those big, huge bald spots to a fabulous ponytail. Look at this, guys. Look at how cute this turned out. That does it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.